Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News ENC channel. Okay, in the last video, I have shown you with how to create connection with MySQL and Microsoft Access, and suitable with my promise to you that I just only with advanced giving you tutorial Visual Basic only using MySQL. Why I just will show MySQL because this is the most I think database engine that use any business or any person, and of course this is a great choice. But if you want to alternative, you can also review our connection database using Access if you don't want to using MySQL. This is just about connection guys, so don't be worried. And in this video tutorial I will show you to using insert, update, delete, and view database comment. So let just do. I will create new project. For easy guys, I will also include the project in the video description so you can download if you think difficult to follow my instruction in this video. Okay, and the project name I will give the name is insert insert update delete and view database, just like this. And I choose Windows Phone application .NET Framework. I choose 4.5. I click OK. Must remember in the video before I show you if connection using MySQL, we need to install MySQL connector that I include in the video before I show you. After we installing MySQL connector, we need to add reference in the project, and I also have show you, but now I want to remember of this in this tutorial. So okay, the first time I think this project is ready. So now we need to create a database first before we do with our project guys. So I back to desktop and running my SAM application. You can download some in the internet guys. We need to running Apache and MySQL. This is just waiting to starting Apache and MySQL. Okay, the Apache and MySQL service has running, and then I choose or I open my Google Chrome. I will create a database in here. And remember guys, this database will we execute in the project in the Visual Basic. So please remember this. Okay. Okay, we need to create database, but I think we'll also change to English language. So this is universal language. We don't confuse with this. Okay, I click databases and create database name. This will db, just for example, is dbu like this, or I mean your database, guys, your db, my or our database name. So in your db, I will create two tables. I don't want to make I'm sorry, guys, I want to create two table, not the table name is table tb tb testing. This just for example, and two column, I mean, I'm sorry, I click go. In the tb testing, I will create id for name, and then I choose varchar here. This is just for example, guys. I choose the length or values is 10, and the name is names like this, or in this type I also choose varchar, and this is 50, and I set a primary key in the id. Nothing. This is yes. This is I set primary key, guys. I just go and save this database. So in this tutorial, we have a database. We have database called your db, guys. Check this. This is our database. The name is your db, and we have also the table. In this case, the table name is tb testing. And in the tb testing or the table testing, we have two column, that the name column is id and names. Remember this, guys, because we will execute with this environment or the entire database. Okay, so I back to my project, and I will minimize this. Okay, guys, like I show you before, we need to create for td or cleanly project. I will add new folder, call name access data. So we project is more td, and I will add one module in the access data folder. Create module, guys. For the connection, I will create the module name is just for example dt connection. I add this dt connection. Okay, I will delete this all code. Then I will import my SQL database, but I need to add the reference first. Like video before I show you, you can review to before video. My SQL. This is my SQL.data. I will add this reference to my project, so I click OK. And then I will coding here imports my SQL dot data dot MySQL client. Then I will click public class, and the name is DT connection. This is just for our connection, guys. So okay, I will declare dim connect as new MySQL connection, and like video I show you in the test of database MySQL, we need to adding the name of server. In this case is localhost, and then user, in this case is root, and then password, in this case is empty password, and the last is of course the database name. So we need to fill this empty localhost, and users bring default by MySQL in sum is root, and password empty. For database suitable with our database that created before, this is the our database name. The name is your DB. Okay, the name is your DB in here, your underscore DB. I will create a public function open, and then I want to try connect dot open and return dot return connect, I mean guys, sorry. Okay, for better we need to adding try, guys. So in this try will handle error database connection. I will put here like this. This is just for better solution if we don't running the sum and others etc. Okay, this is I also create close connect dot close public function close connect dot close, and then return connect. Yes, of course. Okay, I forget in this case as MySQL connection, guys. I'm sorry, as MySQL connection. Okay, like this. Okay, for error we need to also message box show ax.message. Okay, I will copy this in here also. Okay, our connection is done. Then we will go to form 1. I double click in this form. Okay, first for I like TD scripting, then I want to create region. So this is I give the declare region, declare, just only declare. Okay, I will declare dim my comment or my cmd as new MySQL comment. I sorry guys, I must import first. So this is error you can see here, but I also generate using you can see if there is this is import MySQL data.mysql client. Okay, you can see here. Okay, my SQL command, and then dim my connection as new DT connection. This DT connections is reference with our module class, or in here this is, guys, reference with this in this form 1. Okay, so don't confuse, I just tell you. And then okay, this is our declaration for database. And then I want to design first. In this tutorial, I show you how to using ListView. So in this form title, I will create with ListView, guys. So in the other video, I will also show you with data grid view. I choose ListView item in here. This is just showing our uh, comment MySQL and showing the result. Also, I need to create 3 button. Okay, I paste here. This is for insert, update, delete, and then the last is for view button. Okay, and also for our input, we need to create 3 or 2 text block and 2 label. Just simpler, guys. Create 2 text block here. I will copy paste here. Okay, this is for ID and this is for names. Okay, in the label I need also 2 here. Okay, this is our simple design for this tutorial. First, I need to change the entire of item names, and list view I will give the name is I'll show. Okay, list show. This show you can see here, guys. Okay, list show, and this button is VT insert, and for this button is VT update, and in this button 3 is VT delete, and for the last button I will change the name is VT show. And for text box 1 I will create t name or TID, I'm sorry. And for the second text box I will create t names, just same with our database field, guys. And the label one is no, I know I don't need to change the name because we don't have to using this for needed to execute the database needed. So I will change the label 1 text only to ID, and then in the label 2 I will create names or just name. And the button text I also change the text is button 1 is insert in here, button 2 is update, button 3 is delete, and the last button is also show. Okay, and then I also must change the list view item properties. I will full row select is set to true, and I want to shed what this I need is accessible. No, border style, no. Few, I think few. Yes, this is grid lines is true. And then what is the tile, guys? I'm sorry. Few, I think this is few is the tiles. So you can see here like a horizontal line in here. Then I want to edit column in here. Right click in the list view item like this, and I add two columns. The column ones I will create the name is uh, CLM ID, and the number two is the name is CLM name. Okay, for text I will change to ID, and the second text is I will uh, change. I'm sorry, this is just left. I want to change the text name. Okay, and the width for name I want to set 150. I'm trying to, okay, 250, and ID just for enough for 100. I click OK, guys. So this is our last design. First we need to insert update delete show coding. Okay, I double click in insert button. Okay, before coding I will clear this form load so we don't have much uh, useless coding. So I want to create my cmd dot connection equal to my connection dot open, and then my cmd dot my comment text sorry guys, that comment text I mean is because the string for SQL insert into DB. We need to see our tables again in here, DB testing. Okay, see here guys, DB testing, DB underscore testing, and the field of DB testing we just only to ID and names. So we do like this, ID comma names, and values is for ID is equal to TID, and names equal to tnames. Okay, equal to and like this guys, TID dot text, and for the names equal to tnames dot text, because this is we need to change the name of item for easy to coding in here. So if you scan, you must change the item name so you don't confuse with your execute my cmd dot execute non-query like this, and I must close the connection, my connection dot close. Okay, the last is I will show message box dot I don't need you, and this is what is the for message, just data edit like this guys. Okay, message box style dot information, and then this just notice. Okay, this is for insert guys, so I will just show in here. I want to start to see if the our script is working properly. Okay, this is id, then id 123. I will show the database first. If we click in the TB testing, is nothing value in here. You can see my SQL return an empty result. If we try to ID 123 and the name is Sony, just for example, I click insert in here, error or not, we need to see. Okay, this is error guys, so additional information index ln must refer to with this. Okay, this is error guys, you can see here index and length must refer to a location within the string. Because I feel the 10 to varchar, I try to give the ID is 10 character. I want to try guys, I'm sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and name is Shoni. I will click again and see the what happened for this error. Okay, insert into TB testing. Okay, I will see this is really error. I will see to resolve this problem. What is something wrong here guys? I'm sorry. Okay, I want to try again. I click insert trace. Index and length must refer to a location within the string. Okay, this is certain is any mistake here. Insert into. Okay, I think this is causing error guys. Before last one quotation like this, try to run it again. I will create ID in here 1 2 3 4 5, and then create the name is Sony for example. I click insert. Okay, data 8. Okay, we need to view in database. Okay, fix that's we list in here 543 u I insert. Okay, data edit. Okay guys, you can see the result. We don't fix the error, and then I close this form and create to update. I double click in update. For easily, I want to copy paste the script here and just changing the SQL comment. For update, I will change this update TB testing set names equal to and the names the text where the ID is equal to tid.text, and then I want to show the message book is data change like this guys. You can see here, I'm sorry, this is for make me shed if always error. Okay, update TB testing set names. The names your ID is the ID.text. You can see the statement. We just only change the names.text where ID is suitable with the ID.text. So we're running this project again and see what the ID we have in here. 1 till 5 and 5 till 1. Okay, we just need to change the names only based on ID here, where ID 1 2 3 4 5. The names I want to change is to hello, just for example. I click update here to try data change. I click OK and see the result guys. Okay, you can see here, and I want also to change data 5 4 3 2 1 to also hello. Just for example guys, I want to click update here and see the result. Okay, done. For TB testing, we done with two command insert, update, and the last is delete. Okay, for delete, like before, I double click here and then copy paste the script and just delete the SQL statement. Delete from TB testing where ID. Okay, this is the statement. Delete from TB testing where ID equal to the ID.text. And for message box also we must change to delete it like this. I'm trying to running my program again guys. I'm sorry, I want to go to database with application. Okay, I click first to share you, then I want to delete names hello in this field. 1 2 3 4 5 I want to delete. Okay, data deleted. you can see. I click browse again, and just for hello. Also hello, I want to delete also. 5 4 3 2 1 and delete. And it must be empty, guys, because I have delete to data here. Okay, back to empty, and I want to insert again. 1 is equal to sun. I will insert, and then few. Okay, and then I want to 2 is you, insert, and 3 is me, insert. Okay, I want to browse again. Okay, and 4, this is I will delete, guys. 4 is haha, insert. Okay, this is haha, haha, I want to delete, and so I will delete this, haha, data deleted. Okay, and I click browse, empty again. Okay, I think we have done for 3 comment here, and the last is for show. Okay, we will try to show database result in here. And then I double click in show button. Okay, I will declare. I want to declare in the here team obj reader, object reader, guys, as MySQL data reader, MySQL data reader. Then in the double click in the form button show, I will create team easy as list view item, list view item in here, guys. So the name our list view is L show, I mean list show, I'm sorry. Okay, yes, list show dot items dot clear. We must clear before we showing my cmd dot comment text. I think is I mean is my cmd dot connection equal to my connection dot open, and then my cmd we create to comment text equal to select asterisk star for from tb select bintang from, I'm sorry, yes, not bintang, I mean star or asterisk here, from tb testing, and then my cmd dot sorry, we obj reader, I mean obj reader equal to my cmd dot execute. Okay, no n, guys, but just execute reader. Want to create iteration while obj reader dot read, and I will create iteration in iz equal to list show dot items dot add in here obj reader dot item in here dot to string. The item is equal to fill in database, in this case is id, guys. And for the second column, we just do ec.items. Okay, for second column is ec.subitems dot add, like this guys. For first I want to copy paste here the id. I want to change the names equal to our database field, okay, or table field. My connection dot close, of course. Okay, I want to try guys. I want to try hope this not error anymore. Okay, show. Yes, you. And just for last, the show is works. Okay, I want to running again and showing to you the show is works. Okay, the show is work. And for the last, I want to show you with how we can click in here and then show in the text box. If we click in column or in the row in the database or in the list view, will showing the items in here and show in text box to here, so we can just very easy to update and delete. Okay, how to do that? We just do double click in the list view item or list view show, and then list show selected is changed. I'm team index as I want to declare index as integer guys. If easy, oh no, if is list show dot selected uh, selected items dot count equal to 0, then I want to exit sub like this with issue index equal to selected list dot guys selected index 0 in here, and then tid dot text equal to I'm sorry, this is selected indices not item, indices, and then tid dot text is equal dot items index dot text. Okay, item index is mean this is a zero index guys, so tid dot text is equal to in the zero of index. Okay, and names dot text is equal to dot items item index dot sub items 1 dot text. Okay, this is for all guys, and then I will close my connection. No, my connection show this is that's all. I want to running this project again. If the script is work, if we click in the list view item, will show in the text box in the id and the name. I will show first, and we try. Yes, you can see here So we can easily to delete and update. Just for example, use updated, because I don't call the updated, so I want to running again like this. And for nice moving, you can move the script to sub, and I will show you later in others video. So this video you can see the change. This video no longer or over longer. Okay, I will create a clue. If you can update it in here, you can add with update sub, for example, and cut your update comment in the sub with standalone mode, and then call in here and in here. So after you update it, direct also, you can see the result here. Okay guys, I think that's all. This video is very long, and we just or I just show you how to insert, update, delete, show, and also create a click event in the selected item in list view. That's all for today, and in the future video I just only using data grid view, because many uh, many exist rather than if we just use a list view. Okay, you can download this project in the video description, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.